Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Volkswagen's new logo. Logos are essential for any company. Primarily, it's part of their branding so that when their market sees their logo, they instantly think of them. Given this, companies usually shy away from having to revamp their logo. However, it seems like Volkswagen is breaking this norm. Volkswagen is set to unveil a new logo at the Frankfurt Motor Show this 2019. This rebranding signals a new era for the brand. It marks their promise to move on to electric car production that will help appeal to the newer and younger market. Interestingly, more than a new visual logo, Volkswagen is also set to launch a new sound logo. They are hoping to use it to help advertise and promote future models. Somehow like a soundtrack to a movie series, Volkswagen probably hopes that their new sound logo will be a tune people can relate to their brand. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.